Hi, Sketch Lab friends. Today, we're going to draw this adorable teddy bear eating an ice cream cone. Let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the shape of the head. So we're going to draw a circle. Then we're going to add a little bit of a cheek. Curving a line out to the left. And then we can go ahead and erase that construction line off. And now we're going to go ahead and start adding the little teddy bear's ears. And draw another little line that curves up on the inside of the ear. Okay, let's go ahead and get to work on the eyes now. So we have that circle and we have the two white dots inside of it. And the circle on the left, I'm going to draw just a little bit smaller because objects that are closest are bigger. They get smaller off in the distance. And this teddy bear head is tilted a little bit, turned a little bit, 3/4 view. Hence the cheek as well. So drawing a portrait in 3/4 view helps to make it appear to be more three-dimensional. And now we're going to add some overlapping. So this is a circle. This is going to start the ice cream cone that our little teddy bear is eating. Driving these waving lines here. And then erasing out those construction lines. So we've got some overlapping now, which creates space. So now the ice cream cone is in front. Drawing the shape of the cone. I'm going to draw 3 diagonal lines across it. And 3 back the other direction. These are little drips. It's melting. This is going to be the little rough end for the body of our bear. So we can create a little oval shape for its foot. And now here's his foot on the left-hand side. And I wish I made that foot a little bit bigger on the right-hand side. Oh well. Here's some more overlapping. We're going to draw an oval for its little paw. Now we have his arm. We'll give him some rosy cheeks, some little eyebrows, and he's looking pretty adorable right now, guys. Good job. We are going to want to add the little marking on his belly and his little tail. So a little oval shape for his tail too. Okay. I'm just going to go with a Sharpie marker. And because we have construction lines, you can see what I'm outlining and what I'm not. Going in with a little bit of a beige. And then I'm going in with just a regular brown. And this one I'm keeping very simple with value. I will go back in with a little bit of a darker brown. So that's a medium brown, and then I'm going to have a darker brown for the shadows. And a little bit of a hotter pink on the right hand side of that ice cream. It's a little bit of value. And you can see once we refreshen up those outlines, all those details pop, and we're creating what's called contrast. That's what makes your artwork readable. That white Posca paint marker kind of touching up those highlights, and there you have it, guys. Look at that adorable teddy bear eating an ice cream cone. Well, if you enjoyed this video, check out my playlist. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.